Recently, a politician passed remarks against the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Muslims have expressed their anger at the incident and demanded retribution. When the Prophet was himself insulted during his lifetime, the Quran said to him, "Ignore what they say and counsel them." When people used abusive language, the Prophet did not abuse them back, nor did he confront them with aggression. If someone speaks offensively to you, you can't demand that he be punished. If someone disrespects your Prophet, you can't react by violently damaging property and burning effigies of that person. If someone has hurt your religious sentiments, you can't react by raising angry slogans on the street and pelting stones at people. If we do this, we are doing something non-prophetic in the name of the Prophet. You can't demand that hate be stopped by spreading further hate. This is why the Prophet has said, God does not wipe out evil with evil. God wipes out evil with good. In Islam, abuse of the Prophet or blasphemy does not invite physical punishment, not even an apology. The Quran clearly states that prophets were sent to every town, but people ridiculed every prophet who came to them. But nowhere does the Quran prescribe punishment against such verbal attacks. This is because people have the freedom to say whatever they want to say. God has not given anyone the right to place curbs on this freedom. If someone has issued a statement against the Prophet, you too can issue a statement in response to answer the objections raised. The Quran at no place states that if someone abuses or ridicules the Prophet, you should stop him from doing so. And if he does not stop, you should demand that he be arrested or beheaded. Hazrat Aisha Raziyallahu Anha, the Prophet's wife and a towering intellectual figure in early Islam, has said, "The Prophet never took revenge on anybody for anything personal. When people hurled accusations at the Prophet, he did not make angry speeches against them. Rather, he remained patient at their behavior." Why did the Prophet remain patient? Why did he forgive insults and scorn poured at him? Because the concern of the Prophet was to help people